welcome to another episode of Other Buys. Today we've got some Nike Air Force One. Now, these are the classic white, but have a grey trim. Excuse the small size feet, I did get them for myself. Wow, they're actually quite nice. So these are the classic white, but then have the grey trim on the bottom as well. Now I have tried these on already, and the size, it's true to size for me. Some people have said they're a bit large, but for me, bob on. Now the laces are not bright white, slightly more of an off-white cream, but I actually think it complements the grey quite nicely. We've got another little metal bit here. So yeah, a really nice fit. We're that as well, so you can see. Yeah, overall really nice. I tried them on, really comfy. You get some protector on them. Yeah, wear them every day. Alright, if you like it, like, follow, subscribe. Thanks so much, guys.